right. Hello, everyone. I'm Max, founder of Cetopo. Our mission is to help architects with their landscape modeling pains. So imagine that you contract an architect to design your new summer cottage. And before they can even start working on it, they have to wait days or even weeks to get 2D data like this from the local municipality in order to create 3D data like this to base their designs and further work on. This painful process can take days of manual work, time much better spent designing or communicating with you, the customer. A lot of accuracy is also lost in this process. Our solution is a SaaS website that combines various open datasets to produce accurate 3D landscape models instantly. Using Cetopo lets the architect begin working directly in their software of choice without any tedious manual work in between. This can easily save days of actual work, provide a drastically better starting point, and enable better communication between architect and customer. Combining these open datasets also lets us create new and unique data features such as 3D buildings and forest models. Our customers use Cetopo in very many ways, but here's a nice one from Studio Puisto. They used Cetopo in a customer workshop to immediately compare different siting options for a project without having to wait days to get that stuff from the municipalities. As said, architects traditionally get their data from the municipalities who provide the 2D data mentioned earlier. Another option is to survey the site, but the price point for that is much higher. Our competitive advantages is our intelligent algorithms and our close collaboration with our customers. We offer Cetopo as an annual subscription SaaS with simple pricing based on customer size. And we're currently available in Finland, but plan to expand to Norway still this year. There's also a growing number of countries providing this data that we need, which lets us estimate that in about 5 years, we could reach about 10 million euros annual recurring revenue in the Nordics plus UK. Our customers already include some of Finland's largest and most respected architectural firms, and we can estimate an annual recurring revenue of about 100,000 for this year. I come from a family of architects, which introduced me to this problem, which I then solved using experience from countless hackathons. My co-founder Tuomas brings invaluable experience from SaaS businesses and growth companies, resulting in a well-rounded core team. We're looking for new customers, team members, and advisors to help us expand to the Nordics and UK. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Max. Well done. Next up, we have some questions from the jury. First, I'd like to have Simon asking the first question.
Can you tell us very quickly about price and how you discovered the right price point, and also how you sell to the architects, please?
Sure.
Thank you, Simon. Next up, we have Timo.
I have very similar question. So what is your real go-to-market strategy in this type of a market where you traditionally need to sell like one by one to the very expert audience that takes time and money to do?
Thank you, Timo. And then lastly, we have a question from Stan.
Yes, actually, I have a relevant question. Is it possible that you can create a universally applicable product instead of like doing projects one by one?
All right. Thank you, jury. So, Max, you have 2 minutes time. Please go ahead.
Thanks for the great questions. So, starting with the price point, we're currently selling this at about between 1,000 and 4,000 euros per year per customer. And we're selling currently with direct sales. The go-to-market strategy is pretty similar. So, yeah, we currently do this one by one to experts selling type of strategy. And universally applicable products. So currently it is a website, so anyone with a browser can use it. And because we're basically providing data, there is really no restriction on who can use this thing. So we are looking into different segments. There's a lot more than just architects who can technically use this. But there's currently so many architects who could be our customers that we're currently focusing on this segment.